guys, I'm Stella and welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute since I filmed anything. Have you guys been staying safe at home? It's COVID-19 circuit breaker, week 3 into it. Due to all this boredom, I decided to just really film what I do at home. Basically, today we'll be doing like bubble tea. I'll be making my own bubble tea. This is #amateur cooking. I can't cook for shit. I'm kind of excited for this. There's a lot of YouTube videos on it, so I got my phone ready and I really can't cook for shit. I'll be doing this with my sister, so if it fails, it's like a group failure thing, not just me. 50 ml of water first, and then 50 grams of dark brown sugar. Brown sugar going in. It doesn't look very brown, right? People don't look like dark one. There's different types of brown sugar. I think we're done already. I'm done.
Can you look at the video? Does this look done?
It's not even boiling.
My god, you and your impatience.
Then can't. 它开始 boil.
Impatience.
It's boiling. So is it done? What? A bit, right?
Yes, a bit.
Can?
Yeah.
Can?
Yeah.
And then there's stuff? What is that? What is
No,
that?
you just let it sit there.
No, it's done. It's so weird, it looks like tau suan. This is like a lot of flour eh. Can we? Starch, sorry, I keep saying flour. Did I buy the right thing? This is way too much. What the fuck?
We've been scammed by the video. This is why you see. Does it work? People will actually watch it.
New and improved version of it where we add in sugar water.
Four and neat.
How do you know it's done?
That's why look at our video, huh?
The very film manner. And then put it together. And then ta-da!
I roll for it once it be.
Okay, we got our balls ready and it obviously looks like a hot mess. Guys.
What? I'm so confused.
I'm so confused. Which one went wrong?
I don't know.
Okay, it's just a different shape of pearl. This one is pretty big though. That is enough. I feel like it's not gonna be time soon, but then my thing is not boiling. Gosh.
Your video should be better.
How bad can you fuck up bubble tea? Just a shit ton of sugar we're having. It's damn fat. Okay, we're gonna do this until it boils. No, she's putting in the thing, so she's stirring it. We're now like cooking it until it's like supposed to be all gooey. So we have been on this like for an hour plus already, and still at this stage where it's been like forever, and this is where we are at now. It's still gonna take a while more before it gets to the consistency. Okay, we are like done finally, and now we're gonna turn off the fire and line our cup. Our cup ready and the pearls are done up here. We're gonna like line them up now. Okay. Oh my life. But the color of our brown sugar is not dark enough. It's not even gonna look nice.
It is.
What?
See?
That's it. Is the final product. It looks like this. How it tastes like, I think, is gonna be like a different story. So I'm gonna have it now. I don't know. It's already.
Yeah, you need to taste it before you.
1, 2, 3. I think it tastes kind of cute. It tastes kind of nice. It'd be nice as a dessert.